A common mistake is for an organisation to see data governance as an IT problem. In order to drive a culture change to become data-driven, responsibility for data needs to reside with the people at the top, and data needs to be discussed in terms of a strategic asset with a recognised tangible value. To achieve this, organisational leaders need to be proactive in educating themselves on the value of their data and what data governance at the executive level looks like.
Well, failing to recognise that this is a dynamic cyber threat environment and that there are evolving customer expectations on data privacy is a mistake. Further, more data doesn't always mean better decision making. And then lastly, data complements experience, but it doesn't replace it. Both experience and data are valuable to organisations when properly collected, managed, evaluated, along with standards across the industry to ensure that we have transparency and accountability.
An obvious mistake in data governance is when there's a breach of privacy, and by nature the key mistake or issue is making sure that any use of data is within a framework developed by the new Data Governance Institute and moreover the privacy regulations in the country.
Another common data governance mistake is to create a body or process that is not in line with corporate risk tolerance and possibly restricts corporate innovation and agility. Data governance should not require the addition of a data governance person into every project or corporate initiative. What it should be is a set of standards and guidelines to safely enable innovation and to engage data governance professionals when subjective decision making is required outside of guidelines.
I think the key mistake here is just assuming it's easy to comply with the provisions of the Privacy Act when you're going about using data.